Wallahu a'lamu bi a'da'ikum wa kafa billahi waliyan wa kafa billahi nasira. What is the meaning of it? Wallahu a'lamu. Allah knows best who your enemies are. That's what the verse says. You don't even know your enemies. Sometimes they are close around you, near you. They have access to you. They're in a circle that you think is your circle. They're your enemies. Inna waliyyi Allah. In fact, this verse I was saying, Wallahu a'lamu bi a'da'ikum. Allah knows best who your enemies are. Wa kafa billahi waliyan wa kafa billahi nasira. Sufficient is Allah as a protector, and sufficient is Allah as a helper. To whom? To me. That's the dua. That's a verse of the Quran. Is it not worth learning these verses? Something simple. Inshallah, we learn them. Hasbi Allah. Hasbi Allah. Allah is sufficient for me. That's what we're saying. Allah is sufficient for me. Hasbi Allahu la ilaha illa huwa alayhi tawakkaltu wa huwa rabbul arshil azim. Allah is sufficient for me. There is none worthy of worship besides Him. I lay my full trust on Him. And He is the Lord of the great throne. That's the dua you are saying. Another dua. Hasbun Allahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Hasbun Allahu wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah is sufficient for us, and He is the best disposer of our affairs. That dua was actually said when the Prophet ﷺ, the companions were told that there is an army coming to attack you. And the Prophet ﷺ made this dua. The same dua was read when Ibrahim ﷺ was thrown into the fire. When he was thrown into the fire became cold, meaning the fire became a means of his release. You know what the narration actually says? It says that Allah instructed the fire to be a means of peace for Ibrahim alayhi salam. So when he was thrown into the fire tied, the fire actually burnt the ropes and the shackles, but didn't touch him. So he was released. What was the dua he made as he's being thrown? He didn't quit his deen. He said, Hasbun Allah wa ni'mal wakeel. Allah is sufficient for me. He is the best disposer of my affairs. He will take care of me. Say that dua. Repeat it on a daily basis. What I'm teaching you today, powerful gems, wallahi, to protect you.